we'll move on to the next slide. That is limitations of mutual funds. When there is an advantage, definitely there will be limitations. So limitations are limitations by means it's not in a greater way is going to affect the benefits of the mutual fund, which means mutual fund is also have the limitation and also have the a little amount of risk. That is the point to discuss here. And the first one is the limitations of mutual fund is it's always the professionalism. That is called lack of portfolio customization. So customization means is nothing but it's like a tailoring made. Customization is like the tailoring made. For example, you are going and buying a shirt in a open market. You may require for 40-inch shirt. Somebody is 36 and somebody is 38 6 and somebody is having 42. Like that, customization means depend upon the interest of the investor. The mutual fund companies, they offer the service to the people, but it is only meant for the a very large investor. But whereas in the a very small investors, a very limited number of investors, this facility might not be available. And the facility which is provided by the mutual fund companies to the large investor is called portfolio management schemes, whereas this PMS might not be available to the a small investor or unit holder. Why? Because mean they do not have that much of the money to going to disperse or make it the investment in a nature. So better to be avoid such a kind of the other things. The people are going to be pulled together again. They keep their investment. So what is happening means when the small investors are making their investment in the particular scheme means then the decision of making the investment in the different companies, it's rested with the other who called the investment manager or the investment management of the fund manager. So naturally the control over of the investor to saying that you have to keep the investment here or there in this company or that company might not be possible. And also the investor, a very small investor, they do not find a time to also follow up their the this decisions, or maybe asking the companies to do certain customization of the investment. Next one, choice is overload. There are around 40 mutual fund companies are prevalent in India, and they have run more than the now 1,900 schemes. From these 1,900 schemes and 40 companies, and there is the number of equity option, equity oriented fund, debt oriented fund, hybrid fund, and so many. It's definitely it's a very greater risk to the investor to choose the best location for keep its investment. So it's make what we call the awakening mind of the people that says how am I going to be find the things. It's a pathy of the investor. So this is a greater dissemination of industry information through various media, and availability of professional advisors in the market should help investor handle this overload. Might be one of the reason some of the people are not interested to come for mutual fund. Mean this may be from 1,900 schemes, how I am going to be select my best fund. And even sometimes somebody is ready to help you, that is called distributors. Even though that people are presented in the market for helping the investor may not be possible to take the control over the investment decision. In some way, SEBI is also introduced the categorization of the mutual fund to ensure the uniformity in characteristics of similar type of schemes launched by different mutual funds. So if at all there, it is the risk is there, choice is overload. And move on to the third one, no control over cost for the investor. It is obviously there is another issue. It is a issue because the fund is going to be generated by a group of people, a pooled investment. In the pooled investment, someone keep more investment, someone less, someone is not less, someone is equated. So all these cases, the expenditure incurred for this particular fund may not be controlled by whom investor, it is controlled by the fund manager. And even the fund manager is controlling, they have some restriction from the side of the SEBI telling about because type based on the type of the scheme, this much expenses only has to be spent by the particular company, and so on. Even though all these conditions are there, when the expenses are more, mean naturally it is going to affect by a big investor, and the expenses going to charge to the legal investor is very minimal. So what is the point is over here, based on your proportion of investment in a particular scheme, you will engage with the proportional expenditure, but expenses is also the considered point where we are going to be keep our NAV is going to be down or maybe affected. So in this slide, we have discussed about what are the limitations faced by the investor: lack of portfolio customization, choice overload, no control over cost for the investors. Nandri.